Hello, Delsea. Mr. Michelle here. As you can see, I have my two kiddos with me. I have Matt Jr. and Madeline, and we're going to take you through a 15-minute EMOM. Now, 15 minutes sounds like a lot, but remember, the EMOM stands for every minute on the minute. So you will have 5 different movements that you're going to do, which my guys are going to show you how to do. And then you will, when you're done those for the minute, you get the rest of the minute to rest. All right. So the 5 movements that we have, I'm going to have my guys back up. Okay, back up. The first one, get on the mat, please. The first one is a burpee. So as you can see, kick back, down, all the way to the ground, and then kick back up. That is a burpee. One more. Okay. The second that hip, turn to the side. Turn to the side, face that way, buddy. His hip. He's going to go below his knees and then he's back up. Madeline, good job, girl. The next one is sit-ups. Lay back on your back. You're going to put the soles of your feet together, the bottoms of your feet. Okay, and you're going to go all the way back, all the way up, all the way back, all the way up. The next one, we all know this. Give me some jumping jacks. Spread out a little bit so you don't hit anyone. Okay, and there's your jumping jacks. And then the last movement is going to be a push-up. In the push-up position, hands underneath your shoulders, chest goes down, and then drive back up. Good job, Madeline. Very good. I give you one more. So the way this workout is going to work, I have it written down on my piece of paper. You need to listen. We have, in the first minute, 10 burpees. So if you do your 10th burpee and there's still 30 seconds left on your clock, you have 30 seconds to rest. At the top of the next minute, so when it goes to 1 minute, 1 minute 1, 1 minute 2, the next movement will be 15 air squats. So we have 10 burpees, 15 air squats, 12 sit-ups, 20 jumping jacks, and 10 push-ups. Write this down. 10 burpees, 15 air squats, 12 sit-ups, 20 jumping jacks, and 10 push-ups. When you complete all of that and you let that rest period go, you will be at the 5-minute mark. I want you to do each movement 3 times. Therefore, this is a 15-minute workout. Okay, so each movement 3 times. There's 5 movements, a 15-minute workout. All right, let's go through this one more time. Okay, back up. Show me a burpee. Both of you, burpee. Down and back up. Show me an air squat. Okay, good. Sit up. Jumping jack. And push up. Okay, so remember, do not hesitate to contact Ms. Moderano